Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of McDonald's cold fries. Cold fries, no milkshake, and McChicken. It's a McChicken review. I ordered a milkshake and their ice cream machine was down. Maybe I should have gotten Burger King. Or maybe I should have gotten more than just this, because I haven't eaten in a fat bit. Maybe 17 hours. No meal. It's not crazy long, but I am hungry. Here's the McChicken. Is what it looks like. All right, got that. It's got the chicken, it's got the mayo, and it's got the lettuce. I had McCrispy last time, and that was pretty good. Um, this feels kind of, this feels smaller, maybe softer than the McCrispy. Let's try it out. Hope it's good. Mm. Oh, I felt something spicy. I was wondering if I got a spicy McChicken instead. Wasn't spicy. I'm just tripping. You know what? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I don't know how many mayonnaise related items I've had in my life. Um, there we go. Uh, it wasn't that bad. Wasn't super disgusted by it, so that's pretty good. I do think the McCrispy was better. I think It was more filling and enjoyable. Um, but this wasn't like disgusting or anything. It was actually pretty enjoyable. So I'd say the McChicken gets a 6.5 uh, out of 10 for me. So it's not as good as the McCrispy or the quarter pounder with cheese, but it is still very enjoyable and it's not as disgusting as the Big Arch or the Big Mac. So, yeah.